In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that's perfect for organizing your thoughts, keeping track of projects, and capturing crucial information. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, mastering the art of note-taking in Notion can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's jump right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful platform. First, you'll want to start by opening Notion. If you're using the web version, simply head over to your browser and log into your Notion account. If you have the desktop application, launch it from your program menu. Once you're inside, the first step is to create a new page. Head over to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll see a plus icon to add a new page. Click it, and a fresh, blank space will appear for your use. It's vital to remember to give your new page a clear, descriptive title. This will not only help you find it later, but also give context to the notes you're about to take. With your page set up, it's time to start adding content. You can begin typing directly on the page using various formatting options. To add structure to your notes, consider using bullet points for lists, headings for different sections, or numbered lists for ordered information. These options ensure your notes are clear and easy to follow. Organizing your notes effectively is crucial. Notion offers a simple yet powerful feature for this purpose. Simply type / followed by heading 1 or heading 2 to create different heading levels, effectively breaking your notes into manageable sections. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with a large amount of information. To maintain clarity and aid in the visual separation of topics within your notes, use a divider. This can be done by typing / followed by the word divider. It adds a horizontal line to your page, which can be really useful for distinguishing between different topics or sections, making your notes more digestible at a glance. Next up is the use of Notion blocks, which are incredibly versatile building blocks for enriching your notes. You can think of blocks as distinct chunks of content that can be text, images, files, or links. If you need to integrate different content types into your notes, blocks are your go-to tool. For instance, if you have a relevant image or file to include, you can do so seamlessly, making your notes not just text-rich, but also visually engaging and comprehensive. By following these steps, you can transform your Notion experience and make your note-taking more efficient and organized. With a few simple techniques, you can turn your Notion pages into powerful, tailored resources that serve your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.